Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Escape fuel gauge malfunction issue and the likely reasons behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. A fuel gauge malfunction in the Ford Escape is commonly described as the gauge reading empty or full incorrectly, fluctuating while driving, failing to move after refueling, or displaying inconsistent fuel levels compared to actual usage. Verified technical service information and reviewed automotive instrument and fuel system data indicate that fuel gauge concerns can occur across multiple Ford Escape model years, with relevance depending on fuel system design, sensor type, and instrument cluster configuration. This issue does not affect all vehicles and applicability varies by configuration. One verified cause involves the fuel level sending unit operation. The sending unit measures fuel level inside the tank, and wear or internal electrical faults can cause inaccurate readings. Another confirmed cause relates to wiring or electrical connection integrity. Damaged wiring, loose connectors, or corrosion between the fuel tank sender and the instrument cluster can disrupt signal transmission. Instrument cluster processing behavior is also a documented factor. Faults within the cluster or related control logic can prevent accurate interpretation of fuel level signals. Fuel pump module integration is another verified consideration. On many configurations, the fuel level sensor is part of the fuel pump module, and internal issues within the assembly can affect gauge accuracy. Software or calibration behavior is an additional confirmed aspect on applicable models. Control modules may require calibration or updates to correctly process fuel level data under certain conditions. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include recent fuel system service affecting sensor positioning, battery disconnection resetting learned values, or temporary signal irregularities. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions described in professional service guidance include scanning for diagnostic fault codes, inspecting wiring and connectors, testing fuel level sender operation, verifying instrument cluster function, and replacing the fuel pump module or sender when confirmed. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and fuel system-specific requirements. Reviewed diagnostic trends indicate that many Ford Escape fuel gauge malfunctions are resolved through sender or wiring repair rather than instrument cluster replacement. Outcomes vary by model year, fuel system configuration, and vehicle condition. In conclusion, Ford Escape fuel gauge malfunctions are typically linked to fuel level sending unit issues, wiring or connection faults, instrument cluster processing behavior, fuel pump module integration, or calibration-related factors. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.